Need to quickly clone a page in WordPress? Whether it's for saving time or maintaining design consistency, duplicating a page is easier than you think. Stick around and I'll show you 2 simple ways to do it in no time. Hi everyone, I'm Jade from Rapyd Cloud, the high-performance hosting your WordPress site deserves. First things first, why would you need to duplicate a page? Well, duplicating a page in WordPress can save you tons of time, especially if you're working on multiple pages that share a similar design or layout. Instead of starting from scratch every time, you can simply clone an existing page, tweak the content, and you're good to go. It's a must-have skill for creating uniform landing pages, product listings, or blog templates. Best of all, duplicating a page helps you maintain design consistency. If your site follows a specific visual style, page duplication ensures you don't accidentally stray from that style, allowing you to build a cohesive website. If you're using the Gutenberg editor in WordPress, duplicating a page is simple and can be done without any plugins. Start by logging into your WordPress dashboard and navigating to Pages. Open the page you want to duplicate. In the page editor, click the 3 dots in the top right corner. Select Copy All Blocks from the drop-down. Now create a new page by clicking Add New. In the Pages section, in the New Page Editor, paste the content copied. This method allows you to manually copy and paste the content of a page, which is perfect for those who only need to clone basic pages without installing any additional plugins. The easiest way to duplicate pages, especially for beginners, is by using a plugin. One of the best free options is the Duplicate Page plugin. Go to Plugins and then Add New in your WordPress dashboard. Search for Duplicate Page, then click Install, and then Activate. Once activated, navigate to Pages in your dashboard. Hover over the page you want to duplicate and you'll see a new option labeled Duplicate or Clone. Click this and WordPress will create a draft copy of your page, including all content, settings, and layout. This plugin is perfect for anyone looking for a quick, one-click solution to duplicate their pages without any manual copying or coding involved. Once you've duplicated a page, it's essential to go through the new draft and make the necessary edits. This includes updating the page title, meta descriptions, and images to fit the new content. Additionally, check for any formatting or links that need adjustment after the duplication. Always make sure to preview the duplicated page to ensure everything looks and functions correctly before publishing. This small step will help you avoid publishing mistakes and ensure your website looks professional and consistent. When duplicating pages, performance and speed are key to handling multiple edits smoothly. That's where Rapyd Cloud comes in. Our hosting solutions are optimized for WordPress, offering the security and speed you need as you manage, duplicate, and build your site. No lag, just high-performance hosting for your growing website. Click the link in the description to get started with Rapyd today. And that's it! Now you know how to duplicate pages in WordPress using the Gutenberg editor or a plugin. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more WordPress tips. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.